Hello, welcome to part one of applications with integers. We're looking at distance between integers and we're looking specifically at a number line. For example, one says find the distance between I and j on the number line. There's two ways to do it. First, we need to identify that distance generally means that we're going to subtract values. So we're going to perform integer subtraction, but we're also going to count the spaces just to make sure. So in order to set up the integer subtraction, it says find the distance between I and j below. So we need to find the distance by subtracting. But remember that distance is also measured in absolute value. So we're going to subtract and then find the absolute value. So what we're looking for is the absolute value of -10 minus -1. So first I need to do -10 minus -1. And to do this, I need to add the opposite of the second value. So make it plus plus. Now I have -10 plus 1, and 10 minus 1 is 9, but that'll be -9, so I need the absolute value of -9. And then that gives me +9. So my points are 9 spaces apart. So there's a couple things we need to know about distance. One, it tells us to subtract. We're going to find the absolute value. So that it's always positive. And then if we count our spaces, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces to get back to -1. Let's look at a couple of examples. It says find the distance between k and l on the number line below. So k is at -11 and l is at -3. So remember that distance is subtraction and its absolute value. So we're going to subtract, and we're going to use the absolute value. Okay, so we're going to find the absolute value of -12, make that bar a little bigger, -12 minus -3. Alright. -12 minus -3 is -12 plus +3. -12 plus 3 gives me the absolute value of -9, which is 9. If I want to check, all I have to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's true, it works. Letter B, find the distance between I and j on the number line below. So, I is at -4 and j is at 9. So what I need for you guys to do is set up the absolute value. The absolute value you should have set up is the absolute value of -4 minus 9. To solve this, I have to perform -4 minus 9 first, which is plus -9. So I'll have the absolute value of -15, which gives me +15. Go ahead and try letter C on your own, and we'll check the answer in class. Let's look at part 2 now.